Hello everybody and welcome to this very special Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran, and this is the last cooking class we're going to have this year. Well, Happy New Year for everybody. We hope this 2026 is going to be as beautiful as 2025. Okay, it's been
Even better.
even better. There we go. It's been a great year of family, kids, traveling. So, hey, we wish to all of you an amazing 2026. By the way, talking about traveling, next year I'm going to be having the Porto to Santiago tour that I adore. And we're going to start in September 21st, and we're going to go all the way up to Santiago de Compostela, and we'll finish in Santiago on September 29th. If you want to travel with me this next year, please check my website, travelingsteps.es. Send me a WhatsApp and email, and we'll talk about it. Okay? But anyway,
Okay, so what are we going to make today?
we are going to do the dessert we're going to do for New Year's Eve, which is Turron cream.
Turron cream, sort of. Yeah, not a mousse because it's not moussey, but
It's-
a Turron cream.
Well, it depends on how much
Yeah,
cornstarch you put.
yeah, depends.
Anyway.
Okay.
It is a delicious dessert that unfortunately I don't get to eat.
No, because it got honey.
It's got honey. So
Let's go, honey.
Oh, let's go, honey. Did you say? Okay. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so who do we have here to protect for next year? We have our angels. Yay! Our beautiful angels protecting the family for next year. Okay, so what are we going to need? This is a super simple, like normal dessert. You need turrón. Turrón, it's almonds and honey. That's one I'm not eating. Okay, they're soft and hard. This is the soft one. It's
Jijona, right?
Jijona. You can find it nowadays in Costco, many places in the United
Yeah.
States. You have evaporated cream. Okay. Evaporated milk, and cornstarch. Then we have some whipped cream that we have already done for as a topping, and some pistachios or something to decorate and put some colors into it.
Okay, so you can avoid
Whoops.
the cornstarch, but I'm going to use it because I like it thick. And what I'm going to do is, maybe get the right fire going. That would be a good start.
We promise we have not drunk anything yet.
No.
Okay, so
So.
you put a little bit of the cream, and this is a 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay.
I think with cornstarch is that it sticks.
It's very sticky. Anyway, so the cornstarch, I don't want to say it's optional, but it is something that, bless you, that it will depend how thick you like it, okay? If you like more like a pudding or like a creamy type of thing, so that's what you do. Okay, so once it's dissolved, the cornstarch, you put up all the rest of the double cream, okay? Double milk, no, evaporated milk. Oh God.
And then you add
The turrón,
turron and dissolve it.
and you just have to wait and stir as it dissolves.
Wow.
Wow,
Wow, what's going on today? Maybe we are tired.
I don't know.
Let me get this. So,
Second. Anyway, turrón, it's a very special, or very Spanish Christmas
dessert.
dessert. That it comes from the humble recipes. I mean, it comes from the basic poor
Basic
people. Mediterranean almonds and honey. That's all you need. Here in Spain, we have a huge area. It is called the Comunidad Valenciana, Valencia, Alicante, a little bit south of the city of Valencia, where they do have all of the almond trees. I have a lot of them. It's a very good honey, and that is where it comes, this turrón. Okay, the Spanish turrón comes from this area. I've tried it, I think, once in my life,
Don't
but
do it again.
I will not do that show again because the good one has a lot of honey. The cheapy ones, they are like extracts of honey, but nonetheless, as I'm so allergic to honey, I cannot eat it.
But anyway, People do not have this problem
No,
generally.
people love Turron, okay? So really, it's an amazing dessert. Everybody says, I'm not gonna be the one telling you, oh my God, it's amazing, because I don't know.
You know, you don't know.
Are you laughing at your husband?
Yeah, actually, I'm sorry for you.
I know. Everybody, it's like the Christmas. I mean, imagine, let's say, like if you were allergic to turkey in Thanksgiving. It's like, it's the thing that absolutely everybody eats is turron. So it's the only thing I can.
Yeah, but nowadays, like there are other flavors, like chocolate flavors and many other things.
And we also eat a lot of marzipan. Marzipan is also huge in the center of Spain.
But you can eat
and marzipan has no honey into it, so I love.
The thing is that if you see turron is
hold on, let me turn the camera around.
Is what people had.
Yeah, back then.
Back then, right? So my grandmother used to make like some kind of
nougat.
Yeah,
stuff.
like it was not this color. It was like she heated the honey and then joined it with almonds, and it was like a brown color instead of white.
Yeah.
Right?
So
right. So it's the same thing, different aspects or different looks, but it's the same. So you see that it's taking me a while to dissolve it, but we are getting there, and it's thickening, right?
So as I know it keeps on going there, you just want to dissolve the turron in the evaporated milk, and then you have to cool it down. So as always, we have done some before, okay, and we have them in the fridge because we like them. We like this dessert, or our family likes this dessert, because you can prepare, or we like it because you can prepare 2-3 days in advance, stick it in the fridge, and it will be perfect for New Year's Eve. So it's one of the things that we like to do ahead of time before New Year's.
So it's
dissolved. Let me make a zoom to it. Let me zoom it. Okay, can you move a little bit? Okay, so you see, you see how thick it is? Okay, so it's getting thicker, and when it will cool down, it will be much thicker. Again, it depends on how thick you like it. It's what you will get.
So now that it's dissolved, I'm going to just pour it.
Okay, let me bring the glasses here.
So, my proposal is that you don't pour too much because it's a bit heavy.
Yes.
So this could be like, we only had 4 glasses, but it could easily be for 6 people. Yeah. Right?
Mm-hmm. So now you have to wait for that to cool down. Okay. And what we are going to do is we have, whoops, let me put this. As you can see, we have a lot of wooden tables. This is how it looks in about how long? 2 hours in the fridge? Yeah. So it is one of the dishes that you can do pretty much right away.
Right.
Oh, sorry for that. And you can put them in the fridge and that's it.
So let me show you. So I made some whipped cream. You see it's not super whipped, just a little bit. So it doesn't form super strong peaks. But I'm going to whip it again a little bit because I got it out of the fridge just, and I let it rest for a while. But you see, it's some sort of runny, right? And what I'm gonna do is just put like
that. I can eat the whipped cream.
You can do. You can the top, right? Right. So, right, that's it. And well, you can use here maybe some something red, some red fruits like maybe cherries or cranberries or but I'm going to use something green.
Yeah, Christmassy, greeny.
Christmassy and greeny, beautiful. Like it is.
Okay.
That's it.
So, guess what?
It's finished.
This is the easiest. Let me get that out. Pink. Turron cream you can ever bake, cook, or prepare. There we go. So, I think we are
done.
Everybody, thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful 2025. Hopefully, we'll see you all in 2026. We adore having you over home for lunch and dinners and everything. We would love to see you here this 2026.
Yeah.
And we wish you all health, love, and friendship. And well, we love you all.
And I love your pictures, so send some over.
We love you guys. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. Bye bye, amigos.